Art start, smart, art start, art start. Hey guys, I'm at my local DIY store and I wanted to give you a quick tip. A lot of artists are looking for boxes for stuff, organizing and putting their tools and supplies in. And frankly, if you buy anything with the word art on it, it gets charged a lot more to your credit card, and that takes money off of stuff you'd rather be spending on, like, oh, I don't know, supplies. So here's a quick tip for you. Go to your local DIY store and you're gonna get a ton of options. Toolboxes and fishing boxes are really great because they let you organize a lot of stuff in a very small space, and it's actually relatively cheap compared to any kind of art boxes. So hooray for toolboxes. I hope you like this. If you did, click subscribe. We're going to be doing more art tips, more ideas. We're going to be doing some projects to build stuff on the cheap, and we're going to help you get into new sorts of art on the cheap to get you a smart start, good start, art start.